Hello, today I'm in Opel Astra. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and next go to navigation. Go to menu, destination entry and points of interest. Select category, location, for example shopping and electronics store, and tap search. Start guidance and it's done. Go to menu, route menu and cancel guidance if you want to disable navigation. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.